Hello and welcome back to Canvas and Pixels by Next Layers. This is a quick tip. Someone asked me a question that is very important, so I thought of putting it up in case any other person may need to do something like that. The person asked me, how do you create a file with bleed and make sure that when you are done with your file, the bleed also goes with it? Very simple. Just go to your file menu, new document. You wait for the dialog box to come up, and then I prefer working in inches because that's the measurement I understand very well. All right, so I will scroll down to this portion, bleed. I wanted to give it some bleeding. Watch what will happen. I will give it a bleed of 0.25. Now, because this chain is locked, it will apply to all the four sides at once. I'll just say create. Watch what will happen. Now, we do not only have the page. The red rectangle around our shape is the bleed portion. So when you are working, which is what I always do, for example, I want to apply a background and I want that background to bleed, I will select rectangle, for example, and then drag from the bleed to the bleed. All right. Maybe I should give it a color, from the bleed to bleed. That way, your bleed will be covered when you are exporting. It's important. When you are exporting, you tell it to export your bleed with it. As it were now, you could see what I've done is beyond the page. I've also added the bleeding point. So when I'm exporting, I tell the bleed to be included. All right. So how do you export with bleed? You just go to your file, say export. You can use export or use preset. Preset is faster because it's been done for you. I will just say Untitled 2. When I click OK, it will give me a dialog box. All right, you come to marks and bleeds. Look at it. Use document bleed settings. I already created a 0.25 bleed settings all around the work. Just tell it to use document bleed setting. If you want to include bleeding marks, you check this one. If you want crop marks, if you want registration mark, color bar, page information, depending on who you are sending it to, you could check all these things and then just say export. Now, once the file is exported, you can open your PDF and check the document. Ctrl 0 and then Untitled 2. Let's check. See, everything is intact. This is the bleed we added. This is registration mark. I think the information is usually down. Yes, file name and all the rest. I hope you have been able to learn one or two things. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next class. Bye.